polyurethane. It is one of the most popular polymer products in the world. It's used in many industries, from house construction as insulation material to shipbuilding, car manufacture, even home appliances. Like, for example, your fridge is insulated with polyurethane, and you are sitting on polyurethane right now. But how is it made? It is made from a couple of liquid chemicals. So one of the most important chemicals in that set is called polyol. And this is what we do. We are in the polyol business. Since the invention of polyurethanes in the 1930s, these polyols have mostly been made from crude oil. Nowadays, of course, it is possible to make these polyols from bio-based materials, but as we all know, bio-based products usually cost more. The global polyol market in 2016 was over 21 billion with an annual growth rate of 8.5%. Biopolyol market plays a significant role in this market, and its annual growth rate is a little bit faster. Now, this is important because this represents the shifting market trend. It means that the market is continuously shifting to bio-based products, renewable resources, reduced CO2 footprints, and sustainable manufacturing. And it also creates a problem in the industry. On one hand, there's a growing market demand for bio-based products. On the other hand, companies cannot afford them, so because existing alternatives are more expensive. If companies are not using these products, they have a high CO2 footprint, no access to green emerging markets, no eco certification, and they are depending on the crude oil price change. And this is what Polylabs can help with. We produce and sell bio-based polyols for the same price as petrochemical-based polyols. So our customers, in turn, can develop bio-based systems so they can actually replace crude oil. How do we do it? We use natural oils as raw materials, and we apply our one-step chemical process, which is a wasteless technology. So this is also very important because we do not have any byproducts or any waste products to manage after this. So this allows us to keep the price down. So this technology allows us to offer a unique product in the market, which is on the same price level as petrochemical-based polyols, but in the same time it allows the companies to have all the benefits of a bio-based product. So it has high renewable content, it gives access to green markets, reduce these CO2 footprints, get eco certifications, and there's more. It even allows to save in polyurethane production because of some of its technical advantages. And most importantly, these advantages have been proven by our existing customers. What about competition? On the right side, you can see companies that are actually also focusing on bio-based polyols. While the methods how they obtain these polyols are different, they have at least one thing in common, and it is price, and it is more expensive. On the left side, you can see companies that are representing the shifting market trend. So we see these companies as our customers and partners, and we are actually in discussions with these companies. So we have developed a small competent team, which is supervised by professional scientists from government-owned institute, and we have an advisor of over 15 years experience in Bayern and Stora Enso. We have professional scientists on board and salespersons, and me, the rockstar who is trying to keep all them together. Short timeline. Company was founded in 2014. We got investment of 200,000 euros, and with that we managed to get 3 products ready from lab scale to 3,000 tons per year, and we have a couple more products in development as well. So we are represented in 19 countries, mostly covering Europe. First sales was done in 2017, and in the first quarter of this year we already did more sales than all last year. So now we are looking for a 5 million investment for our next step. We will use this money in 2 phases. First will be for team expansion, sales and marketing, and R&D and patents to develop patent strategies. And the second will be to actually build our own new production plant of 10,000 tons per year. So in short, if you are interested in investing in growing, trending bio-based markets, come and see me. I will be here. Thank you.